You're not making serious money on LinkedIn if you still don't know about this section, or even worse, if you haven't set it up yet. There is a service section on LinkedIn that works exactly like Upwork and Fiverr. This is a section where clients come, send their service requests, you directly pitch them, give them your offer, and once you've given them your offer, you can close the client. Now, here's something that even I didn't know earlier. While I felt like these leads would just come to me, they don't. I want to simplify it for you. These are leads that are inbound to you, but not just to you. When a client is requesting services on LinkedIn, there are high chances that they've requested this from multiple service providers, multiple vendors. So if you really don't optimize on your strategy to close deals from service section, you lose the game. Hi, I am Karishmaa, a model, anchor, author turned LinkedIn personal branding and corporate employee branding expert. And today in this video, I'll help you set up your service section step by step. And before we go any further, I respect your time and my time. This feature is only accessible to people who have a premium account. So in case you have a premium account, please go ahead and set up this section with me. In case not, you can still watch the video and you can decide if you really want to get this section or not. In today's video, I'll be covering something very important. While most of the people start thinking about why am I not able to close clients, am I not good enough, or what is it something that others are doing and I am not doing to get clients from service section, I'm sure this video, if you keep watching until the end, will help you, because I have proven strategies, proven templates, a detailed lead cycle that I've built, which will help you get clients from your service section. Grab my service section cheat sheet from the description below. Go grab a diary and a pen if you'd like. Open my cheat sheet right next to this video and start filling in the details with me. As you do this, we'll build up your service section together step by step. Now, before I help you set this up, something very important that I want you to look at is how will the service section look like from a client's perspective. So let's head straight into my screen. Now, when someone lands on your profile, I'm going to take my profile as an example here. They click on services. You can practice with me alongside the video if you want. From here, they can select the service that they need. Now they can fill in the requirements. You have an option to fill in timeline, project details, and then you simply submit request. Now the moment somebody requesting the service submits the request, it reaches to multiple service providers. Now that you understand how you receive a service request, let's set it up for your profile step by step. Go to your LinkedIn profile, select providing services and click continue. Now LinkedIn will ask you to choose from services, and I need you to only and only list 10 services that are the most relevant to you. Please don't add the kind of services that you don't provide or that you don't want to provide. I used to do this mistake earlier. I would just add graphic designing, SEO. I would literally link anything under the sun and then I would cry about not getting leads. Don't commit that mistake. It's very important that you only choose services that are relevant to your work and the ones that people come to you for, even when they're not coming via the LinkedIn service section. Now next is to set up your overview. Technically the about section of your service section. Keep it simple. Just talk about what you do, how you do, and who do you help. I've covered exactly how to write your about section for your LinkedIn service section in my detailed cheat sheet. I am sure it's open right next to this tab. If not, please go grab it from my description box below. Now the next step that you will see is to add your availability. Choose remote if you want to get more and more of clients. And then for pricing, you can either set an hourly rate or keep it contact for pricing. It is suggested to keep contact for pricing. It allows you to have more leads in your funnel. Now next section is your media section, which is the most important section of your service section. Now next step is to add your media, which is the most important step in this entire game. While most people miss out adding on important media, this acts like your portfolio. Add your past work, add your case studies, maybe a beautifully designed visual of what you offer, some past client decks. Now what I need you to keep in mind is that if someone lands on your profile, it is only the first 3 images that are visible. So be very strategic with what you show and how you order your images in this section. Keep the strongest proof points first. If this video has been helping you so far, I would request you to hit thumbs up. It really motivates me to create more of these videos. And I know this video is getting very long. However, keep watching with me, stay until the end. I'm going to give you secrets that most of the people don't tell you. Now let's get to the real system. Let me break it down for you step by step. Step number 1 is to never just submit a proposal. What you also need to do is whenever you get a lead, try to get their email and contact number from tools like Typeout or Contact Out or even Apollo. And there's nothing illegal about it because these people have listed their information online, and that's how you're getting this information. If you get their email, drop them an email along with your proposal. If you get their contact number, reach out to them on WhatsApp. Even further, if you find none of them or if you're able to find the individual on Instagram, just drop them a message and try to remind them that you received their service request in your service section. Your chances of conversions get much better and much higher. I close so many leads like that. If none of this information is available to you, send out a connection request. In my cheat sheet, I've also given you in-depth templates of how to send out a WhatsApp message, how to send out a connection request. Grab it from my cheat sheet. Now moving down to step 2, that is how to structure your proposal. Open with something specific about them or their business. Show them that you understand their business. Then talk about them and the kind of business they have and the request that they've come to you for. Then talk about how your services act as a solution. Then mention if you worked for any such clients or if you've offered same services to another client in the similar industry before. And then attach your portfolio and your contact number. Make it supremely easy for someone to understand why you over others. I've put together an exact template of how should you send a proposal in my cheat sheet. Now, despite all your hard work, your lead doesn't respond. What do you do next? Like some of their posts. Go drop some thoughtful comments. Maybe reach out to their team via their company page and see who's the right person to connect with. Get a referral if you have a mutual connection with them on LinkedIn. Just using this section alone wisely, you can crack 5-figure deals from LinkedIn. Trust me, I've used this. It works for me. It has worked for my clients. It has worked for my friends. I've put together detailed proposal structure, proposal template, outreach scripts, everything in my LinkedIn service section cheat sheet. Go grab it from the description below. In case you don't know, this video is an episode of my LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass. I've already covered your headline, banner, about section, featured section, recommendations, skills, and I'll be bringing more such videos. So make sure you hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon on so that you don't miss out on the next video. Alright, this is Karishmaa Singhal signing off.